the scale of this storm as it comes down the beach over Morey's Surfside Pier. This is absolutely nuts. Oh my gosh. I need to get off the beach. This video is sponsored by Brian Cover at State Farm, proudly serving Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, and New York. With a dedicated team of 15 professionals, Brian is here to keep you protected.
Contact Brian Cover for an auto quote today.
I didn't expect to make this video, but we're being evacuated off of the beach right now because of this. This is insane! I literally was not prepared for this. And my stuff was all the way down here, so I'm quickly grabbing my stuff and getting off the beach because the lifeguards already called everyone in. Like literally, everyone's already got in. I gotta get my gear over here and get out because, oh my gosh, this is insane. This storm is crazy looking. Look at this shelf cloud. Here on the boardwalk, goes across the entire Wildwoods. Isn't this crazy or what? I got my gear and I really gotta get off now. This is getting really scary, but it's so cool. I love storms down here in the Wildwoods, and the microphone's probably not picking it up, but this is incredible. Just take a look. I don't know if I should be scared. I should really, truly, look how fast it's moving too. I don't know if you can see it down the beach, but this is incredible. Morey's Pier actually just called to turn off their rides for the moment. But oh my goodness, look at the way the cloud is forming all the way down here. I have never seen anything like this before. It's been a while since we had a major storm like this. Insane. I don't think the camera is showing truly. Oh, we just saw lightning behind me. The camera does not show how incredible this looks. This is not every day. This is why I literally had my stuff on the beach and I knew I had to get it off, but I could have waited. But I don't think I filmed one of these storms for you guys on the beach ever before. Oh wow, that thunder was strong. You can see how the shelf cloud is moving extremely low and fast. I will pan back for you. There's a wall of rain coming right there. I don't know if you can see that. You can hear Morey's Pier making the announcements that they're temporarily closing the rides. This is incredible. I don't think I ever thought, oh, so some lightning over there. The map shows that it's a little bit ways away. So like I was looking at the map and it showed it was kind of like over by Cape May on the other side. I was like, oh, maybe the bubble will hold. Nope, I don't think it did. But look at this. If you can hear that thunder coming from over there. Morey's Pier is actually even shut off. We started filming, their lights were on the rides. They just shut them off as they got everyone off at 300 or 300. Signal 300, which is we're temporary. And look, there's a shark on the beach. So I had to share this with you because I thought it was kind of cool. Someone actually made a shark. If you do it from this angle, he looks spooky with the clouds behind him. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. And yes, I hear you screaming through your computer or your phone. Get off the beach, you idiot! I love storms though. And yes, there is no one out here. I'm the only idiot out here. My wife would be yelling at me right now if she was here. And like literally, there is no one else here. Well, maybe one person. Yeah, one person with a camera. Oh no, they're treasure funding. Even the bar shut down real quickly. As soon as that storm started coming by, everyone's like, nope, we're out. The wind's gonna pick up, and then that wall of rain, which is sitting right over there, is gonna hit us. But that was really, really cool. This is the real color, by the way. I know sometimes the camera doesn't really do justice, but wow. It is low. But don't worry, I'm gonna make my way off the beach. I hear you, stop screaming at me. I just absolutely love it when we get storms down here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly run back towards the bay and see if it does thunder and lightning a little bit. Did find some trash. As a reminder, every time you go to the beach, make sure you pick up 3 pieces of trash and throw them away. There's one thing that you learned when you came down here to surf, and you were taught by people like Ocean Outfitters, which I was taught from Ocean Outfitters, that is, you have to respect the beach, and that's one of them. Always pick up the trash, 3 pieces every time you go to the beach. If you get 9 people going, all you guys get 3 stuff, and our beaches will be a lot cleaner. Now it got really dark. Oh, now it's starting to rain. Oh. Okay, so we're going to walk away from the beach because the rain is coming, and you can see the swell is now starting to be blown everywhere. You probably can't see the rain coming down, but you can see it hit the sand a little bit. Oh, we just saw some lightning up there. Oh, yeah, now it's starting to come down. Let's get off of the beach. No, it feels really good. Yeah, thank God I got my bathing suit on, right? As my grandmother used to say, if it's just rain, get some soap, take a shower outside, it's free. Can you still do that? Oh, we made it on the pier as the lightning was coming. It is creepy walking on here with thunder and lightning, man. Can you hear the thunder? People are running over on the boardwalk. We're gonna walk up there in a second. But it's not pouring just yet. Maybe I just showed you the way that it's coming down the water. This is coming down slowly. Let's make our way up and get out. And in my stupid attempt to get back to my beach chair and get everything off the beach so quickly, I left my flip-flops at my home base. So to walk on the boardwalk without shoes, I never suggest that because it's not ideal. But you can see everyone kind of racing down the boardwalk to get off because of all the rain coming. Look down this way. Everyone's trying to get off fairly quickly. But I think I should probably get off as well. I put my stuff over here, so I'm gonna go grab that stuff. If I get any cool lightning videos, I'll let you guys know, but I'm gonna go. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you to my sponsors and my Patreon members. If you want to support this channel and have your name in the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below, which will really soon come down. As always, I'll see you guys on the beach. Not during a storm though, so I'll see you later. Bye. Look at the rain coming! Woo! That's crazy. Yes, I did make it home, okay? Started freaking out. How's he doing? What's he doing? There's the, you kind of see the end a little bit here. The streets, of course, you could sneeze and our streets flood down here. There's a little bit of water, but it's already calmed down a bit. I'm soaking wet though. I might take that free shower though. You know? But look. Not too bad. Anyway, once again, I'll see you guys later. I'll see you though, most importantly, on the beach.
Always a winner and always a prize. That's right, guys. Who's up? Who's next? Who's ready? We've got a winner every game. We've got a prize every single time. Always a winner and always a prize. That's right, guys. Who's up? Who's next? Who's ready to play? Who's going to be our next?